Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I try to talk about one of the small problem with the connectivity in the Poco F3 GT device. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to use the Poco F3 GT and Poco F3 GT has got small Wi-Fi connectivity issue which is going on. So this is not the issue mainly. I'm not trying to highlight this problem. I'm just trying to bring the awareness among the people who are actually buying this Poco F3 GT. You should know this kind of small problems about this device regarding the connectivity. Let's start with the Wi-Fi connection. What is happening with the Poco F3 GT? So why did I say there's a problem with the Wi-Fi connection? So the first thing is because if you try to use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, the transmit link speed will be limited to 144 Mbps only. Let me just show you. As you can see friends, 144 Mbps. So you may think it's not a big deal for me. Why should I care about this? The reason is because I'll try to explain you in one small chart. This is a small chart which I created for the users, Poco F3 GT users. So first thing, if your Wi-Fi connection internet speed is above 150 Mbps of speed and you're using single band Wi-Fi router, not dual band, forget about the dual band, only single band Wi-Fi router, then this phone cannot handle that kind of high speeds. The phone will only get up to I think 150 or 140 Mbps. If you're having 200 Mbps of plan with a single band router, you cannot get that kind of high speeds in this Poco F3 GT. You may think it's kind of normal, but it's not normal, I would definitely say, because let me just show you the another example with the Realme X1 Max. I'm trying to show you all the facts. I'm not trying to highlight this kind of thing. I'm just trying to show you the facts, what is happening. These are 2.4 GHz, as you can see, same Wi-Fi connection. I did get 300 Mbps in the Realme X1 Max with the 2.4 GHz. So my Wi-Fi router has got the speeds of 433 for the 5 GHz and 300 Mbps for the 2.4 GHz. So I did get the maximum out of it, no problem. There's another phone which is from the MI itself. I'm not trying to take any other company. So I'm trying to take only the Mi11X device. So this is an Mi11X smartphone. In this, if you try to open this 2.4 GHz, this will come up to 300 Mbps of transmit link speed. Perfectly good, all right, no issues. But when it comes to this phone, which is a Poco F3 GT, it's not great. So it has got only 144 transmit link speed. Let me just show you. This is a transmit link speed which has got. That's a one drawback right now which the phone has got. Same kind of problem with the Poco X3 Pro. I did highlight a couple of days back about the Poco X3 Pro. Same issue. That no problem friends, because this phone is a close to mid-range segment mobile phone and slightly kind of higher range. So that's kind of acceptable, but still this phone, the cost of this phone is close to 27,000 and 26,000 approximately, around that kind of range. And not having this kind of high standards of connectivity is not acceptable. This is not the problem with the Wi-Fi. There is another 4G plus issue is also going on. I'm not trying to say issue, I'm just trying to say the problem. So maybe you can consider it as a problem. So if you're having dual band Wi-Fi router, don't worry at all. Try to connect to the 5 GHz. Don't try to connect to 2.4 GHz. Absolutely, yes. That's one solution which definitely I can give you all. So this problem will be a big thing only for the users who are using single band Wi-Fi router. And that single band Wi-Fi routers who are having the speeds above 150 Mbps. Only for these users, there will be a problem with the Poco F3 GT with a single band more than 150 Mbps. That is only the one thing which I thought of highlighting, and I thought of bringing the awareness among the Poco F3 GT users. In case if you have the dual band, always connect to 5 GHz only to get the maximum speed out of that router. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm getting the maximum speeds 5 GHz 433, 5 GHz 433, perfectly done without any problem. But when it comes to 2.4 GHz only, there's a problem with this Poco F3 GT device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a small information which I thought of sharing with the Poco F3 GT users. In case if you're planning to buy the phone, you should know all these things before actually buying the device. Only one thing is the frustration thing, because Mi11X has got 300 Mbps of transmit link speed. Realme X1 Max also got the 300 Mbps of transmit link speed, but why not this phone? Same problem applies to the iQOO 7. I'm not telling you about this particular phone. Even same problem goes to the iQOO 7 as well. Even the iQOO 7 cannot handle more speeds than that. Let me just show you the transmit link speed. This phone can get only 144 transmit link speed, 144 Mbps. That's another problem with this phone. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review which I thought of just giving you about this connectivity problems. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch the playlist of the Poco F3 GT. That will be really helpful for you. In case if you are having any other doubts, you'll get to know all the things about this Poco F3 GT before actually buying the device. That is what my main motive of this channel as well. In next video, I'll try to do the speed test as well using this Poco F3 GT connected to 2.4 GHz and connecting another phone to the 2.4 GHz, trying to do the speed test. So then we'll be able to understand what is happening with this Poco F3 GT. And seeing the next video friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.